Have you ever imagined a world where AI does more than just follow commands? A world where AI agents can predict stock prices, manage your emails, post to your social media, and even handle your daily tasks with autonomous web browsing? Well, that world is here with OpenAgents, an open-source platform revolutionizing how we interact with AI. Welcome back to the AutoGPT Tutorials channel. Today, we're diving into the innovative universe of OpenAgents, an open-source GitHub project that's a game changer for everyone from the casual user to advanced programmers and researchers. Let's dive into the world of OpenAgents and discover how it can save your time, money, and skyrocket your efficiency. For starters, what exactly is OpenAgents? It's a platform allowing anyone to use and host language AI agents, which are tools designed to automate and enhance various tasks. From stock price predictions to autonomous web browsing, OpenAgents has something for everyone. OpenAgents isn't just for the tech-savvy. If you've never coded a day in your life but want the power of AI at your fingertips, OpenAgents has you covered with its user-friendly web interface. You can access various AI agents right through your browser. Let's explore the 3 types of AI agents available on this platform. First, Data Agent, your data analysis guru. Imagine needing to predict next month's stock prices. Here's where the data agent comes in. With its robust toolkit, you can search and locate essential data swiftly, streamline data handling and processing, modify data to meet your specific needs, create insightful visual presentations. Using Python and SQL, the data agent analyzes trends and crunches numbers to offer precise forecasts. Ready for a demo? Let's watch the data agent in action.
Welcome to the Xlang Data Agent demo tutorial. Today we'll explore how this powerful AI assistant can assist you with various data-related tasks. Let's jump right in. Now, if I ask for some stock price datasets, the data agent will utilize the Kaggle search tool to find relevant datasets for our analysis. With the available stock price datasets, we can choose one to download and apply it to the current chat. The data agent will now give some basic information about the file and give some insights about what I can do with the data. Now I want to visualize the open and closing prices since 2022. The agent will leverage the capabilities of the eCharts library to create an interactive line plot for me. I can also ask the agent to do some model training, like an ARIMA model specifically on the closing prices. You can see that the agent fails several times, but in the end it gets the fitted model and draws a plot to reflect the regression results. Furthermore, I can also continue the previous turn and ask for an overall summary about the trained model.
Next, Plugins Agent, enhancing your daily tools. We have the Plugins Agent, which integrates with over 200 everyday tools to help automate and simplify your tasks. Whether it's scheduling, communication, or project management, this agent enhances how you interact with digital tools, boosting productivity effortlessly. Catch a glimpse of how the Plugins Agent transforms routine operations in our demo video.
Introducing the Plugins Agent. Let's dive into how this advanced AI assistant can assist you in various daily tasks. I'm selecting Klarna, Currency Converter, Get Your Guide, and Weather Wizard. It's worth noting that the plugin selection can be automated using the Auto feature. I have asked about attractions in Toronto. The plugin agent taps into the Get Your Guide plugin and presents recommendations in a visually appealing format, complete with images. After learning about Toronto's attractions, it's only natural for me to consider my budget and check the currency exchange rate. With the plugins agent, this information is just a question away. Now I'm curious about the weather. A simple query is made and the agent prompts for more details. It's intuitive, understanding the necessary information to interact with its plugins. Once I provide my travel dates, the plugins agent employs the Weather Wizard plugin to fetch the weather forecast. The agent isn't just about fetching data. It can also offer recommendations based on the information it receives, like suggesting clothing based on weather. From the suggestions, if I find items of interest, I can inquire further. The plugin's agent presents product details in neat little cards, allowing me to delve deeper or even make a purchase.
Let's move to the next agent. Web Agent, your autonomous web navigator. Ever wished for a smarter way to browse the web? The Web Agent is your answer. This agent, functioning as a Chrome extension, automates web navigation, making information gathering and online interactions seamless. From plotting routes on Google Maps to posting tweets and filling out forms, the Web Agent does it all with precision. Experience the Web Agent's capabilities in these real-life scenarios.
Welcome to the Xlang Web Agent demo tutorial. Today we will explore how this web navigation assistant utilizes the web to enhance your experience. Let's get started. The user is entering a request and the website will call the web agent to fulfill it. Now the web agent has been activated. A new page has been opened. The web agent extension is now being activated. We will wait for it to navigate the web page step by step. As you can see, the agent is interacting with the elements on this page and entering data into the input box, similar to a human navigating the web. The web agent has now completed its task and returns the information to the chat interface. Now the agent is summarizing the movie comments for the user. Now the user can input another query. The user wants the agent to post a tweet on their behalf. Now the agent will perform a similar task to the one it did during the first query. It will navigate to Twitter and post the requested thread for the user.
Now, what about those who are more technically inclined? If you're a developer or a programmer, OpenAgents invites you to dive deeper. The platform's code is completely open source, meaning you can download, modify, and deploy it locally. Whether you use the original source code or Docker, setting up is a breeze. Check out the localhost deployment tab on the project's GitHub page for detailed instructions. And there's more for advanced users and researchers. Join the vibrant community contributing to the project, extending its capabilities, and integrating new tools. If you're eager to push the boundaries of what AI agents can do, OpenAgents provides the perfect playground. Interested in learning more? Visit the project's documentation page to explore in-depth tutorials, user guides, and more. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about OpenAgents? How will you use it to enhance your daily life? Let's discuss. See you in the next video where we'll uncover more AI wonders.